Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to solve a very easy problem, that is square root of x plus square root of x minus 7 is equal to 7. We need to find the value of x, and I know all of you guys can do this problem. But the purpose of this video is to show the easiest way to solve this problem and also the shortest way. So let me write the equation first. Square root of x plus square root of x minus 7 is equal to 7. So if you focus on the term x and x minus 7 and 7, there exists another relation. We can easily derive it. What is that? That is x minus of x minus 7 is equal to 7. By that means, we can find another relation, but we want to transform these things into equation. So for this, we are going to substitute a is equal to x minus 7. So let's substitute here and also substitute here. Then our new equation is that square root of x plus square root of a is equal to 7, and also we are getting x minus a is equal to 7. Okay, so this is our new equation. Let me write it 1 and 2. I know that you guys already know the formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we are going to use this formula to the equation 2. So let me write this. So equation 2, from the equation 2, we can write square root of x whole square minus square root of a whole square is equal to 7. We are using the formula a square minus b square. That means square root of x minus a square root of x plus square root of a, which is also 7. So from 1, from the equation 1, we can replace this one by 7. That means square root of x minus square root of a times 7 is equal to 7. So if you divide by 7 to the both side of the equation, then it will become square root of x minus square root of a is equal to 1. So we are getting another equation. That let me write this 3. So therefore, and we have already square root of x plus square root of a is equal to 7. So now we are going to solve by elimination method. For that, we are adding this to equation. Then we are getting 2 square root of x is equal to 1 plus 7, which is equal to 8. So square root of x is equal to 4, and x is equal to 4 square, which is equal to 16. Okay, so we have done the problem. Now let's check. What we have the equation, main equation is root x plus square root of x minus 7 is equal to 7. So now we are going to replace the value of x here. So from the left hand side, what we are getting? Replace 7 is 16 plus square root of 16 minus 7, which becomes 4 plus, that will become 16 minus 7, 9, square root of 9, sorry, this will become 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7, which is equal to right hand side of the equation. That means x is equal to 16 is the solution. So So thank you. God bless you all.